You know the drill.
So today I am going to unbox my new Milwaukee battery and power charger. It would be nice to have for my Milwaukee tools to actually have a battery to use it.
Your Milwaukee tool that you're getting rid of?
Yeah, I gotta make this review today because I'm selling this tomorrow. Or hopefully selling. Yeah, well. This is what you get. Got the thicker 5, whatever that means. The 5, not the 3. The bigger battery. Comes with that shiny packaging. What I like about the Milwaukee stuff, it comes with that shiny packaging. Like that shiny thing there. Pretty cool. Let's see. Does it come fully charged? No, it does not.
End of video.
Well, let's see what happens. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to charge it first before we keep going.
That's likely. That's kind of how it works, yeah.
Comes with some pretty thick plastic. Alright, there we go. Got it. Looks like this just slides on here. It's already on. Okay. It feels like it should go further. No? Alright. It looks new. Doesn't look used. That's good. Always nice when you buy something online and it's actually new. So, yeah, look, it comes with this on there. Pretty nice. Charging lights come on. Wonder, does that have to be off? Can that be on when that's charging? I'm gonna have to read the manual, won't I? Oh, it's making some kind of noise. Yeah, and it looks like it's the 12 amp, 12 volt charger and the 18 volt charger. Those circular triangle looking batteries and this. So that's what we got here. Looks like it's supposed to have like a screen over here. Oh no, that's just this. So solid just means it's charging. Okay, great. Well, let's see how long it takes to charge. All right, so the light's green. It hasn't charged for too terrible long, and it appears to be working. Lit up real nice. Let's make sure it works. What do you have to hit this and this? There we go. It's definitely on. And now,
How far do those nails go in?
it's an 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna hold it up here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's definitely working. Battery works. It's good to go. What are your thoughts?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't use tools.
Well, does it look nice? Was it worth? I don't know. Batteries are pretty expensive. 130
Oh, was it
bucks
worth
for
it
this.
to buy it and sell it 2 months later after no use like everything else you buy? I don't know, was it?
Well, that's for the other video. That's this.
Hmm.
I'm going to be selling this.
And you'll probably be selling that stuff in another 2 months.
No, I'll be too invested. Once you buy the batteries, you gotta go all in. That's all.